In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to make money online in 2024. I've been making money online for nearly a decade, and what I'm about to show you is unlike anything I've seen before. Beginners are making over $10,000 in their first month, so stick around and I'll show you the exact steps to follow so you can start profiting right now before the competition catches up. So let's dive right into it. What exactly are TikTok shops and why should you care? TikTok, the short-form video platform that took the world by storm, is no longer just about entertainment or dance challenges. In fact, it's becoming a serious player in the e-commerce space, trying to compete with giants like Google and Amazon. You might have noticed that younger generations, especially millennials and Gen Z, are increasingly using TikTok as their go-to search engine. Instead of Googling things, they'll search on TikTok to find quick, engaging answers in video form. And now, TikTok is expanding its influence even further by entering the e-commerce space with something called TikTok shops. With this feature, you don't even need a massive following or a long-standing TikTok account to start selling. Users can create a shop directly associated with their account, and their followers or anyone who stumbles upon their content can click on their profile and see the products that they're selling. Here's the best part. You don't need to create your own products, or run a full-blown business, or worry about logistics like warehousing or shipping. You're not getting into the hassle of drop shipping either. What you are doing is much simpler but incredibly effective. This is where TikTok's affiliate program or creator program comes in. You can create straightforward videos promoting products, and TikTok's algorithm does all of the heavy lifting by finding viewers who are most likely to buy. And you earn a commission ranging from 5% to 20% per sale, depending on the product. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you need a blog or a website with steady traffic, TikTok shops allow you to leverage TikTok's powerful algorithm to get your content in front of the right people. Whether you have a following or not, TikTok's focus is on this specific product and video, not your social media clout. Now, here's something that's key to understand. TikTok's algorithm is designed to push content to people who will actually engage with it. The beauty is, you don't need a viral hit to make money. It's not about getting 1 million views on your video. It's about getting your video in front of the right audience. For example, if you create a video about a cool gadget, TikTok will push that content to users who have shown interest in similar products. And this is why even people with very few followers can still see solid commissions from TikTok's affiliate program. TikTok is smart. It's continually analyzing user behavior to match videos with users who are likely to buy. It doesn't matter if your video has 100 views or 10,000. What matters is the quality of those views. This makes TikTok's affiliate program accessible for beginners who are just getting started without having to worry about follower count. Alright, so you're probably wondering how to get started. First off, you don't need a massive TikTok following to join the creator program or TikTok's affiliate network. If you do have 5,000 followers, the process is extremely simple. You click on the top right corner of the app, navigate to Creator Tools, and look for TikTok Shop or Creator Options under Monetization. It's right there, ready to go. But I'm going to assume that many of you don't have a big TikTok following yet, and that's perfectly fine. To get started without followers, just go to Google and type in TikTok Shop Sign Up. Once you're on the TikTok Shops page, you'll start the sign-up process. Essentially, you're registering as a shop owner, which automatically gives you access to the affiliate program. As part of the process, you'll need a link to the TikTok account, so if you don't have one already, you'll have to set that up. The process is pretty straightforward, and once you're in, you're good to go. You'll have access to TikTok's affiliate products, and you can start creating videos immediately. Now, here's where things get exciting. Once you've signed up, you need to find the right products to promote. There are 2 ways to do this. 1, you could wait for sellers to reach out to you, and after signing up, you'll probably notice that sellers will begin to hit you up, offering you free products in exchange for a video. It's a no-cost way to get started, and you can begin producing content with little upfront investment. However, if you're serious about maximizing your earnings, there's a more strategic approach. This involves using a tool like Data, which provides insights into which products are trending on TikTok shops. With Data, you can see exactly what products are hot right now and which ones are just starting to take off. You can use this information to pick products that have the potential to go viral. Data is easy to use. You can start by selecting categories, anything from fashion to electronics, depending on your area of interest. If you're not sure where to start, you can leave it open, and Data will show you a wide range of products across various categories. Once you have this data, you can begin analyzing which products show steady growth or are expecting a sudden spike in sales. For example, if you're looking at electronics, you might see a digital camera that's been growing consistently over the past month. Or you might find a new product that's just starting to pop off. The key here is to pick products that have either steady growth or sudden upward spikes. These are the ones most likely to bring in strong sales. The next step is creating content around these products. Don't overthink it. TikTok is not about high production values or Hollywood-level cinematography. Simple, straightforward videos work best. You could be using your phone to film a short clip talking about the product, and trust me, you don't need to be a professional actor to pull this off. Some of the most successful videos are just everyday people showing off products in their homes. For instance, if you're promoting a solar power bank, you could simply hold the device in your hand, explain why it's useful, and demonstrate how it works. TikTok viewers appreciate authenticity and relatability, so your content doesn't need to be polished to perform well. Another key point is that TikTok shops allow viewers to buy products directly from the video. There's no need for them to click off to another website or fill out long forms. They can just click buy and use their saved payment method, whether it's Apple Pay or a credit card, to make a purchase. This seamless process increases the likelihood of conversions, which means more commissions for you. Once you've got a few videos up and running, you'll start earning commissions. But how do you scale this? One of the best ways is to double down on the content that's working. Use Data or TikTok's analytics to track your video performance. If you notice that a particular product is generating sales, create more content around it. Tweak your video angles, show the product in different settings, or test new hooks to grab attention. Additionally, you can explore paid advertising. While TikTok's algorithm does a great job of promoting organic content, you can push things even further by running paid ads on your top performing videos. This can increase the visibility of your content and drive more sales. At some point, you'll want to start getting free products from sellers, and to do that, you'll need to make your account attractive to these brands. The key here is to create content that demonstrates value. Even if you're just starting, focus on making good, engaging content. Sellers will check out your videos to see if you can effectively promote their products, so make sure your content is high quality and aligned with the kind of products you want to be associated with. One hack is to start small. Reach out to smaller brands or lesser-known sellers and ask for free products in exchange for a video. And as you build up a portfolio of successful promotions, larger brands will be more likely to offer you free items to review. Finally, understand that TikTok, like any other platform, requires testing and iteration. You might not hit a home run with your first few videos, but the more content you create, the more you'll learn what works and what doesn't. Test different products, different video formats, and different hooks to see what resonates with your audience. You should also be continually looking for new opportunities. TikTok Shops is still a relatively new feature, and the landscape is always changing. By staying on top of trends and using tools like Data, you can keep your content fresh and relevant, which will help you stay ahead of the competition. Now, if you'd like to learn how to make money creating faceless videos and posting on YouTube, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Alright, I'll see you over there.